In this video, I will show you exactly how to protect your creative work by adding a professional watermark using Adobe Express. This is a crucial step for anyone wanting to maintain their visual identity while sharing content online. To get started, open your project and look at the left-hand panel where you will find the text option. Click on that button and then select Add Your Text. This will place a new text box on your canvas where you can type in your brand name, your personal signature, or official copyright information. Once you have typed out your text, you need to make sure it looks professional. I recommend changing the text color to a solid white or perhaps a very neutral shade. This ensures that the watermark contrasts properly against different types of backgrounds regardless of the colors in your image. After you have set the color, it is time to adjust the transparency so the mark is not too distracting. Click on your text element to open the Properties panel and look for the opacity slider. You should drag this slider down to somewhere between 25 and 50%. This makes the watermark semi-transparent, so it remains visible but subtle. Finally, you need to find the perfect spot for it. Drag the watermark to a discrete area of your design, such as one of the lower corners. This allows you to protect your content from unauthorized use